It's not always easy to come up with fresh ideas, but we can help spark your creativity. I'm using a quality model at full resolution, and batch processing is on. To explore some ideas, I'll click Get Inspired. This takes me to the VectorFX gallery, where I can look at some amazing examples and see the prompts used to create them. I'll open this example and copy its prompt, and go back to VectorFX and paste it in. But instead of a vector illustration, I'd like a watercolor look, with a southwestern color palette and maybe some clouds. I'll also disable high detail mode to get a simpler design output. After clicking Generate, here are my batch results. I want to liven these up a bit, so I'll go back to option 3 and add orange and gold tones, purple shades, dark blue, light blue. For what to avoid, I'll take advantage of the negative prompt field, a feature not supported in the compatibility model. I'll enter brown tones, neutral colors, and also add trees so that no trees will be generated. I'll also enable high detail and generate the last 3 again. The last 3 options are more colorful, less brown and beige, and have no trees. But they do have strange streaks and artifacts in the sky, probably because of the wispy clouds I requested. So I'll click in number 3 again and change the prompts. For the positive prompt, I've removed the clouds and added clear sky. In the negative prompt, I added dots and streaks. These results are much cleaner, though some cloud remnants are still there. And because this is AI after all, option 5 has a rather strange perspective. So for this attempt, I've moved clear sky closer to the start of the prompt for higher priority. And to be extra sure that clouds aren't generated, I've added them to the negative prompt. A bit better, though option 5 is still off. Here's my final prompt attempt, with clear cloudless sky instead of just clear sky. I like these results a lot, except for number 5. I could save and work with option 3 or 4, or since I have the prompt that works, I can start completely over with 5 new options. First, I'll note down both prompts for easy copying. Then I'll click Reset, which removes everything and returns all values to their defaults if needed. After pasting in both prompts and starting with a new seed value, I have 5 fresh options. Each still has some extra bits in the sky, but all the perspectives and colors are lovely. Option 1 is my favorite. To remove the sky shapes, I'll maximize the smoothing value, which removes small objects. That doesn't quite get everything, so my next step is to save this image in SVG format. Now I have this SVG file open in Affinity Designer, where I can select and delete the remaining small curves in the sky and make any other changes to these vector objects.